I beg you, who me guide them, Father? Make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me, Jehovah. Father, protect your soul. Can't stop me, come here to clean.
And welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for an Aliexpress store. Yeah, this is my first time doing a review for an Aliexpress store. And it will be for Cranberry Hair. I have their 24-inch 4x4 Peruvian Deep Wave Closure Wig. I never ordered a closure wig before. I only had ones that I made, so this should be very interesting. So basically, the box comes like this. It has their YouTube, their Instagram, and their Facebook scan code. It has how to maintain the hair. And then when you open it, it has the wig, a wig cap, and some lashes. Now let's take a look at this wig. Alright, you can see the label here. It's a 4x4 24-inch closure wig. And it has the net on it. Y'all know how my lighting start acting once I start holding these hair up. I'm gonna take the net off. Take this little paper out. And it is very soft. It smells like, well, the closure doesn't smell like anything, but yeah, just pack here in air. Yeah, this is so cute. This is Peruvian Deep Wave. Ooh, I've had Deep Wave before, but it wasn't this pretty. It's a 4x4 closure with 2 clips right here and 1 clip at the bottom. It looks really nice. And here's the hairline. Okay. And it looks like it's made on one of those netted caps, so it should be breathable. I'm just finger combing it out. Ooh, this hair is so beautiful. Okay, so I am getting some shedding, but it's big curly hair, so what do you expect? I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my mannequin head so we can see what it's looking like. It really makes more sense now. Like, it looks so cute. I didn't know what to expect when I was getting this wig, and you can see like the wefts are so neat. Okay, I really love this curl pattern. Okay, so let me put this hair down. This wig is from Aliexpress, from Cranberry Hair, and this is the 24-inch. The 24-inch wig is only $111.41. And then they have coupon codes. They have a few coupon codes. So I know I just put these faux locks in, but I'm gonna have to take these faux locks out so I can put this wig on because this is just too beautiful. I love this curl pattern. Look at this. This might be my new favorite. I love curly hair. Right? Should I dye this? Okay, well, y'all gotta go ahead and stay tuned because I don't know what I'm gonna do with this wig. This right here is so beautiful. And you know, I was so excited to get a closure wig because frontal wigs are just so much to do. Trying to record it and look in the mirror and getting both sides, like, it's so much. A closure wig would be so much easier. When people ask me, or when people DM me and they ask me questions about lace and they want to know, they want to try it or what I recommend for them, I usually tell them like closures are the best thing to start off with, because closure is just that little 4-inch or 5-inch or whatever size closure you get in. It's just that little small square space for you to deal with. A frontal is ear to ear, so more maintenance, more work during the install. It's cute, it looks realistic, but I can't wait to install this closure wig. So you just gotta stay tuned. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up anyway. Shout out to Cranberry Hair for sending me this bomb closure wig, this Peruvian Deep wig, 24-inch closure wig. Shout out to them, y'all hooked me up, and big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Mwah.